All right, D string notes on the cello and bass. Let's review how to get quickly into that left hand position. Bring your arm all the way out, have that nice water bottle C shape. From the elbow, bring it into your first position. Your thumb is behind your second finger, nice and soft. Your top fingers have tabletops, nice curved knuckles. And on our first finger is making contact with our red tape. Our cello third finger is making contact with the blue tape. On the bass, it's our fourth tape. And then on the cello, we have our pinky resting on our yellow tape. So basses, hang out for just a second while I talk to the cellos. On the cello, we're going to put all four fingers down so that our pinky's on our yellow tape. We're going to push our fingers deep enough into the fingerboard so that we have a nice ringing sound when we pizzicato. This is called a G. You'll notice it's one octave above our open G. If we hear a thud, that's our instrument telling us that our fingers aren't deep enough into the fingerboard, our string isn't fully on the fingerboard. We're listening for that nice ringing sound when we pizzicato. This G is going to be played on the bass using our open G. So we're going to use this G and our open D to play number 9 in our sound innovations. Let's try it. Our metronome is at 81 beats per minute. 2, ready, play. Job. We're listening for rings and no thuds. We're going to go ahead and release that fourth finger on the cello and bring it down to just 3 fingers on our blue sticker. And our bass friends are going to put all 4 fingers down on their D string on their blue tape. And even though we have different fingerings, it's going to be the same pitch. We're going to call this note F sharp. It sounds like this. Listen again. And now that we have an F sharp, we can keep that metronome on and we can jump down to number 11 and play number 11 with our F sharp and our open D. Let's try it. Ready? Play. Good, and you have to remember that we're releasing all our fingers at once on the cello and bass so that we can get to that open string without accidentally leaving any other fingers down. We're going to go ahead and take off our F sharp and bring our fingers all the way down to just the first finger, right on that red sticker for both the cello and bass. This is one letter name above our open D string. This is an E. Let's hear what that E sounds like. There's that E sound that we're listening for. And we can use that first finger E to play number 13 at the bottom of page 6. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, 13. Listen for rings. Good. And we can put all these D string notes together to do number 14. We have G, which is an open string for the bass and fourth finger for cello. We have F sharp, which is a third finger for cello and a fourth finger for bass, right on that blue sticker. And then we can all agree that E is a first finger on our D string. So let's try to use all those notes plus our open Ds to play number 14. Number 14. 1, 2, starting on G. Nice ringing sound. Rest. Rest. Good. Double check that you still have a nice elbow and you're still in that water bottle shape when you're done playing on your D string.